Hi everyone. If your Windows 11 PC feels slow or unresponsive, especially when you have many tabs or apps open, high RAM usage is often the reason. The good news is that Windows 11 includes a simple Microsoft tool called PC Manager that can instantly free up memory without changing your system settings. In this guide, I'll teach you how to reduce RAM usage on Windows 11 using the one-click boost feature in the PC Manager app and how to make it work automatically in the background. PC Manager is one of those lesser-known Microsoft utilities that's actually very useful. It's completely free and works as a central dashboard where you can manage memory, clean storage, control startup apps, and keep your system running smoothly. It doesn't add new features to Windows, but it makes existing ones much easier to access and use. The Boost feature works by forcing Windows to release memory that's currently being held by apps and background processes that don't need it at that moment. As soon as you use it, you'll notice the memory usage percentage drop, which can make your PC feel faster right away. First, install the Microsoft PC Manager app from the Microsoft Store and open it on your computer. Next, once the app opens, look at the left side and click on Home to access the main dashboard. Then on the home screen, simply click the Boost button. This instantly frees up unused memory and clears temporary files, and you'll see the RAM usage drop immediately. Next, if you want this process to happen automatically, click on the option called Set Smart Boost. Turn on the Smart Boost setting toggle so PC Manager can optimize memory on its own whenever usage gets too high. Then, if you prefer PC Manager to always be ready, turn on the option that allows the app to launch automatically when Windows starts. Finally, once these settings are enabled, PC Manager will continue working in the background, helping reduce RAM usage and keeping your system responsive without you needing to manually intervene. That's it. With just one click or an automatic setting, you can quickly free up memory on Windows 11 and improve overall performance, especially if your PC slows down during heavy multitasking.